Today I want to still teach you how you can start to make money in cryptocurrency for free. I want to introduce another airdrop that surely it must, mark that word, I say must, pay you from now till first quarter of 2026. If you like, think that I said from now till first quarter of 2026, then you think it's too long for you. Okay, if it is next month, how many will you get before that next month? Think. So in airdrop is the quantity you get, you are able to gather that gives you money. So you have enough time to gather this very airdrop. So the name of this airdrop is called Atok. A-T-O-K. Atok. It has an app. If you take a look at here, you will see it on the logo on my screen. So I will be opening it to show you how Atok works. But before I do that, I still repeat, if you never watch this video you are seeing the thumbnail on the screen now, among my videos, go and search for this video and watch. If you are an investor, you are looking for a way to invest in crypto, this video will help you, which you will know what to do. Participate in Quantum Wallet ATS Atok staking. You will be earning dollars every 6 days. I will not talk too much. Go into the video and see by yourself. Then before I go on, please, you that is watching, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, and do yourself also a favor. Subscribe to this channel, thumbs up notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I upload videos that will help you to make money or to learn crypto. I am going to guide you here in this channel, so subscribe to this channel. Most of you, they hear subscribe, they will think on money. Subscribe in YouTube is not with money. Under the video, you see subscribe. Click on it, it will be subscribed. See a bell will show. Click on the bell and click all, and you will see that is all. You are not going to spend any money to subscribe. Then like my videos and then share to others too. And also invite others to come to this channel, because I'm going to be teaching you people how you can make money in crypto, both for free. If you are an investor who want to buy coins and hold, I'll be dropping coins which you can buy. As I'm saying, if you never buy Wikicard, go and buy. You get why? I will do video on that, why you should buy Wikicard. Go and buy Wikicard now. And participate in Quantum Wallet ATS, buy Atok and stake, and be earning 6% of what you stake. Minimum to stake is 50 Atok. Go and buy it and stake. You'll be getting 6% of what you stake every 6 days. Then I'll be opening the app now. I will be opening the app right now. Here is the app, Atok. Here is the app. Okay, this is the when you open it, we ask you to turn on the location if your location is off. So if you open, this is the first interface of Atok. If you take a look at my screen right here, you will see where you see arrow pointing in green with 397.39. Before I forget, one thing about this Atok is that as you are mining it, you can be withdrawing it to your wallet. Yes, I'm going to drop the link of this Atok in the description, where you will click and download it, and the referral code. If you use my referral code, you will get bonus of 50 Atok. 50 Atok if you use my referral code. I'm going to show you what you'll be doing every day in this app. So right now, as you see the arrow pointing, I have that. I'm going to withdraw this right now for you to see. And remember, in my description, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp link there too. You can join me into my WhatsApp for more details of whatever you want and more guidance and mentorship for free. It's for now. With time, it will not be free. So do yourself a favor to go there and join my WhatsApp group in the description. So now, how we take do here to end this point is, when you look at my screen right here, when you look at my screen right here, you will see checking. Click on that checking and it will check in and give you. Right now, when you take a look at the other side here, where you see the green circle, you will see daily reward 0.00 Atok. Okay, that means I have to start to checking right now. So click on this checking you are seeing in white shirt, tap it. You will see for update now my balance added more. Then you are going to do this 3 times in 24 hours. You do it in the morning, you do it in the afternoon, you do it in the night as you are about to sleep. Then you will see your balance will be adding up there. When you finish that, there is something here. There is something here called avatar. You will come to avatar, click on this avatar. When you click avatar, you will see this place. Then what you need to do right now is that click right here where the arrow is pointing. Answer today's question. Click it. When you click it, you will see the questions right here. It says, how often do you play mini games in the app? Okay. The option 1 says less than 5 minutes. Option 2 says more than 30 minutes. Option 3 says more than it says 5 to 10 minutes. So I play the game in less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to choose that one, which will mark, and you will see confirm right here. You will click on it. Then the second question says, how sensitive are you to the price of ride sharing services when choosing to use them? Then option 1 says not very sensitive. Option 2 says somewhat sensitive. Option 3 says not sensitive at all. So me, I'm going to use not very, I'm going to use somewhat sensitive, because sometimes I don't care, sometimes I care. Then another question here says, how do you feel about eco-friendly and sustainable fashion practices? Option 1 says very supportive. I prioritize sustainable brands. Option 2 says somewhat supportive. I consider it when shopping. Option 3 says not very supportive. I focus on other factors. Then say, how do you feel about eco-friendly? So I'm going to say very supportive, and then you will see confirm. Click on it, and it is loading. It is loading to see my answers, what I have scored. This is the level. As you are answering the question every day, your level will be increasing. As this red coming around join, you will move to another level. So I'm going to press OK down here. I'm going to press OK down there. Then you receive Atok reward 3.078. Click correct. Click correct right there. When you click it, it will not load. You have done for the day. Sometimes when you click that, add will play again, allow to play finish, it will add you more to Atok. Then after you finish this, come down here. There's a place here called we. Come down to the we, click on the we. Click on the wheel. When you open, just tap on this pin and it will spin. It is spinning. Can you see it is spinning? Oh, I get just 0.01 and click correct. Sometimes when you roll to that picture, it will play an ad and you will get to Atok. Then sometimes when you open this in the morning, like around 7 to 9 a.m., you will see like some numbers here where the arrow is pointing. It's a advert question. Click on it. When you see that, click on it. Click on it, allow it to open. If you see some of the ads here, like this ad here now, like this Asus, if the time that it is popping up, when you click it, you will see the ad will finish. Watch the ad very careful. Then they will ask you a question. After it, you will see continue, click continue. Then they will ask you a question concerning the ad you watch to answer as you watch. Then you will answer it and you will get some Atok. And that's why I say join my WhatsApp group. I always drop those answers in my WhatsApp group every morning. So join the WhatsApp group so that we'll be able to get them. Then after that, you will answer 2 of them, or as the number they are, you return back. That is all for now. Then coming to the withdrawal of this Atok, when you join the group, you will get the contract address of Atok, and there's a Atok is built on BNB Smart Chain Network. So we get the contract address, we import it and be able to be withdrawn your Atok. Minimum withdrawal is 200. So as I said, coming to the withdrawal, if you come to this place here, click on that manage. When you come to the manage, you will see transfer here, you will see receive, you will see scan. So if you want to withdraw, and right now look at it, 400 point of 400 Atok officially is $5.21. So what is happening here is that now you can say Atok, but the price is very low. It's very, very low. You cannot get it right. So I advise for you to hold your Atok like end of the year or first quarter of next year. If you take a look at down here, I have been withdrawing. Take a look at down here. I have been withdrawing. I have been withdrawing. I have been withdrawing. I'm going to show you where it is. I have been withdrawing. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm not going to go there to withdraw again. So take a look at them here. I have been withdrawing. Minimum withdrawal is 200. But when you reach 200, make sure you have like 206 Atok. Then come to withdraw here. Come to transfer here. When you come to transfer, put transfer. That wallet address, when you go to my WhatsApp group, I will show you what to do. I'll give you the contract address. You are going to copy your contract address, which you import. You copy your wallet address, which you import the contract address, and paste it here. Here is going to be Atok. How many Atok you want to, and I told you minimum withdraw is 200. So I have 400. Like now, if I want to withdraw 400, I cannot place 400 because of gas fee. So I'm going to put 394, so that the 6 Atok will go for gas fee, while 394 will go to my wallet. Understand that when you want to withdraw, make sure you reserve 6 Atok for gas fee. Minimum withdrawal is 200 Atok. So I want to show you now my withdrawal in the wallet. As I show you my withdrawal record here, and mind you, don't go and transfer Atok to different wallets. If today you transfer Atok to that wallet, make sure every time you are transferring Atok to external wallet, it's the same that wallet you are using. If you use another, they will block you from withdrawing. They will ban you from withdrawing. Then right now, if you watch my screen right here, see Atok. See my Atok balance there. See my Atok balance there. See, look at Atok here. Then when you now come to it, let me open and show you. Take a look at, see my withdrawal, see my receiver record. Then as I showed you there, compare it, you will discover that yes, this is accurate. Thank you. God bless you. Join this project. It will pay you some dollars at the end. I tell you, join it. Then subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to do more videos on how you can make money free of charge, and those investors and coins that you can buy. So now I want you to just go down to the description to watch this video, get to my WhatsApp for more guidance and mentorship on cryptocurrency. Thank you. God bless you.